Hi guys, my name is Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and today I'm excited. I have a Sephora mini haul slash like my September favorites. It's October, so I figured I would show you guys all the things that I've been loving. But until October 9th, Sephora's having friends and family. If you go on the website, I usually shop on the mobile app. They'll have something that you tap and you can kind of get the code for friends and family. Or if you're in store, just ask and they'll give you the discount. But it's 20% off, so I figured now's the best time to go in and get all the things that I need for fall, which primarily I needed. I didn't need any more makeup because I have all of that, but I definitely wanted to get a new fragrance because I just needed something new and fresh for fall. So I kind of went in store and kind of did some exploring and just seeing what I kind of wanted to smell like this fall. So first stop I picked up was the Apple Brandy Kilian on the Rocks. Now, if you've been living under a rock, Kilian is supposed to be like one of the fragrances that Rihanna swears by. Specifically, she's supposed to wear the scent Love Don't Be Shy. So I remember smelling that a while ago and I was really about to get it. It's like $240, so it's a hefty price tag. I was like, I'm gonna get it. But something told me just don't buy it, and I ended up getting some other things for that during that time when I got it. So at the Sephora I went to, they have like a bunch of the Kilian scents. I tried Love Don't Be Shy and I tried Apple Brandy. So when I tried Love Don't Be Shy, I kind of did like a wear test, walked around the store for a little bit, took my time, and I was like, I don't like this. It kind of smelled like soda pop on me. It didn't smell so good. So I was like, it smells like Coca-Cola, like cherry Coca-Cola specifically, so I didn't really like that on me. But once I tried this scent, Apple Brandy, it stayed on and it just smelled so beautiful on me. So let's get into the packaging. Like, first of all, it comes in this like beautiful box, so you know you're getting luxury. So this whole collection is supposed to be after, you know, alcohol. Ooh, I don't want to break my stuff. It looks like obviously a drink, which is so special, but this smells so good. Like, you know how you find a fragrance and it like mixes well with your chemistry and your balance? Like, this is what this is for me. So I mean, the scent is described as like fruity and citrusy, but for me I feel like it's not like that at all. Of course you get the apple, but once it melts down in my skin, it smells like apple along with like musky vanilla and like bergamot. It smells so good and I'm obsessed with it. Like, this is like if you guys could smell it, it just smells so good. Like, it smells like, you know, you would think like it smells like a drink, but to me it just doesn't smell like a drink. It just smells like sweetness mixed with like woodsy. It's just the perfect scent and I'm so happy. I'm like so excited that I finally got a Kilian fragrance that was made for me, and it's like a little bit less expensive than the original one I wanted, but I love it. And they have a few other fragrances in this whole collection, but if you've been thinking about it, definitely try it out. Go to your local Sephora and spray it on, walk around the store, walk around the mall, do what you have to do. But I'm obsessed, like, I'm obsessed. And I feel like it's also like citrusy enough where I can wear it in spring into the summer without feeling like, you know, sometimes fragrances are too like fall-like, that it's like a little weird to wear in the summer, but I feel like I can kind of get along with this, you know, it goes well with like my vibe. But I'm obsessed and I'm so excited. So again, this one is the Kilian on the Rocks Apple Brandy. So if you guys are thinking about it, I love it, I die, like I'm so excited about it. So that's that. So while we were talking about fragrance, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar, like Sephora, they do these so well. They do these Sephora favorite fragrance kits, and they have them for men and for women, and they usually sell them all year round, but more particularly they sell them closer to the holidays. Of course, they're like the best gift for people, especially for those people that you don't know what to buy them. This is like perfect, but they're actually really fun to get for yourself. And I figure these usually cost around $60 to $70. This one was $68. But what the whole idea is that you get about, how many fragrances are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 trial sizes of the fragrance, and the one that you like, you take the scent certificate and you get the full size. Now, here's the deal. If you catch these like when they're on sale, so if Sephora's having a promotion, whether it's friends or family, whether it's a beauty insider sale, you get this for 20% off, and then you get a full-size fragrance that's like worth $100 plus. So you kind of make out. But I think these are actually fun to try. I got this one. Of course, I will link it down below. But what intrigued me about this kit here was that it had a bunch of different fragrances that I had never tried or never even heard of. So of course they have the kits that are filled with like your Prada candies, your YSL Black Opiums, which are more popular, which is fine, nothing's wrong with those, but I figured if I'm going to do a scent discovery set, then I might as well try things that I've never heard of before. So this one, it features some newer brands. I know they have, of course they have the Versace in there, they have the Marc Jacobs Daisy Intense, which I'm familiar with, but some brands like Ellis Brooklyn, Julia Has a Gun, I'm kind of familiar with, Mason Louise, Skylar, but I'm excited to try these and like pick my favorite set and get like a full-size bottle. And it's also cool, if you guys were thinking about getting these, is that like, even if you so much like you pick your favorite one and you go get the full size, like you have all these little ones left to put in your bag for travel. So it's actually a really cool deal, and it's actually like fun, and it comes with like this card so you can kind of write like what's your favorite and kind of like test it out. So I'm excited to kind of have like certain scents for the week and kind of have certain things that I'm going to be wearing. So I'm truly excited about this. So fragrance was like my #1 priority when like shopping in Sephora this month and last month. So if you're unsure, if you're not sure about Kilian but you want to try some new scents and you're not sure what to get, definitely look into the Sephora favorites. They actually come for men too if you want to try it for your mans. But these are really cool. So if you guys have not checked out my fashion fair review, I will link it up here in the cards, but definitely check out the review. You guys supported it so much, so thank you if you watched that review. But if you haven't, be sure to check out Fashion Fair. So Fashion Fair, again, is a Black-owned business that was actually like one of the first lines, inclusive lines for Black women, and they recently relaunched in Sephora, and I tried all the products and they're actually amazing. Some of the favorites for me were the Fashion Flex foundation stick. This is great. I use this to contour, and the setting powder. So I like the pressed powder. I set my whole face with that today, and I'm looking like beat. But I set my face with that today. I don't know why I put it back in the box, but I love it. The packaging is amazing, and the quality is like really, really good, and the price point is really fair. So if you are a woman of color and you just want to try some new like complexion products, try them out. The lipstick is also actually really awesome too. So the lipstick, that's not the lipstick. The lipstick that I got was the shade Koi. So if you're looking for like a really good nude shade, I will link the color I have on today. It's actually Sephora Collection, which I will link down below, but this is a good lip too. It's a good fall lip. But the one that I'm talking about is nude, and it's called Koi, which is like the perfect, like, I'm not sure if you guys can see, the perfect pinky nude. And in that collection of their lipsticks, they don't have anything super matte just as yet, but everything is more so like more cream, like not super matte, which I like. I don't mind. I prefer when my lipsticks are like more creamy. I like to do nudes in them because I love my nudes to be like creamy, like glossy kind of look, but super comfortable. A great product range. Of course, if you want more details about those products and what I think of them, definitely check out my review. It's a good review. It's a nice long one. Next thing that I love this month, since I picked it up, I don't want to drop all this stuff, is, I've talked about this before, but for some reason my lips have been super, super dry. Like, of course, going back to work, we're fully masked like all day. So my lips have been dry, but they need to be exfoliated at the same time. So I feel like I talked about this a long time ago, but I definitely picked this up again. It's the Glow Pop Lip Pop from Glow Recipe. Now what's great about this lip balm is that it's supposed to give your lips like the shade of pink. I mean, which it kind of does, but my lips are like not pink, so they're like a dark pink, so it doesn't show up pink, it shows up clear. But as you're putting the lip balm on your lips, it exfoliates them as well. So it's not super granular and like scrubby, but it exfoliates them just enough where your lips are smooth. So if you're looking for something that hydrates and kind of exfoliates at the same time, definitely check this out. And I do like that it's not super greasy. So even if you wanted to put something like this on, like exfoliate your lips really quick and kind of like hydrate them before you put on a matte lip like one I have on today, you can do that without it being too much. This is about $22. You know, I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of expensive, especially for the amount of product you get, but I really like the product, if that makes sense. It's like worth it because like I run out of it quickly. I'm like, oh my god, it's done, but it works and it's good. So if you're looking for something, your lips are dry and you're looking for something that hydrates and kind of exfoliates at the same time, definitely check out the Glow Recipe Lip Pop. And then one of the last things I got like you can see it's like black inside because I finished it, was the Forvr Mood candle. So I wanted to support my girl Jackie Aina. If you're not aware, she has a candle line called Forvr Mood. She has a whole bunch of scents now. I know I just saw on her Instagram that she recently launched a new set for fall, but this is the first collection that she had dropped with Sephora, and I got the scent Caked Up, which smells like, I don't know, it smells like vanilla. If you notice, I love vanilla, so it's like vanilla, a little bit of woodsy, but it smells more so like warm vanilla cake. I'm super impressed. Like, I still, besides the black around here in my candle, I still have some left, and it has like a great amount of burn time, and I was actually impressed with the scent around my room. I feel like the burn time, it says 65 hours. I feel like that was actually really accurate, and I actually enjoyed the candle, and I feel like I will buy it again. Like, you know, sometimes you look at the price and you're like, oh my god, $38 for one candle, but it was worth it. You support a black-owned business, and I'm here for it, and I liked it. I enjoyed it very, very much. Let me know in the comments if you try any candles from Forvr Mood and what's your favorite scent. Let me know down below. But that was everything from my Sephora mini haul. I told you guys it's a very mini haul. The fragrances took me out. They took me out the game, but I'm excited. I'm excited about having my first Kilian fragrance. I'm excited about all the products I tried from Fashion Fair. But let me know, what was your favorite beauty product that you have tried this month? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. And until next time, guys, be safe and be well. Bye.